Hey guys, I'm just out here in the shop talking to Nate about some things, and we had this stuff on the board here, and I want to talk about an improvement that we made. Everybody pay attention to this, and we'll go. So this is a list of stuff that people need, and when we came out, it looked like this. I had no idea what this was. I appreciate you guys going and figuring out that, hey, we needed this stuff, and I said, hey, there's got to be a better way. And so while I was standing there, I'm going, you know what we need? We need an SOP for things that we need that are not on our Kanban system or on a Kanban card. So here is our new solution. We're gonna write on a blank Kanban card and hang it on the management hook. So what's that look like? We'll go over here, and where we're hanging stuff, we come in and say, hey, I need something. And right here is a blank tag. You're just gonna pull out a Sharpie. If you've got even if you have like a carton, as an example, a Sharpie box doesn't have a Kanban card, probably need one or don't need one, but whatever we need, just put it on here, tape it on there, right on there with a Sharpie, whatever we need to do, and then just put that right down here, and now it will be on the management label, and we will get that ordered for you. So that's our improvement. We're not gonna write stuff on the whiteboard, hey, I need this, this, or this. We're gonna actually just put it on a tag, and that way it's actionable, and we can move it from needs to be ordered to where it's ordered, and we will get that to you. There you go.